तमिलनाडु के धर्मपुरी कृष्णागिरी इलाके के एक गांव में पानी के तहफ्फुज़ के लिए एक एनजीओ ने किसानों, खवातीन और सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप के साथ मिलकर एक नया प्रोजेक्ट शुरू किया है। इसमें बच्चों को तब्दीली के एजेंट के रूप में शामिल किया गया है। देखिए रिपोर्ट।
My names are Murugan Ithiraj. I work with Myrada NGO in Dharmapuri Krishnagiri project. With the support of Rakit Bangai sir, we have been facilitating water security project in Krishnagiri district. We work in 3 clusters in 15 villages. In these villages, we create additional water storage structures, and we have the target of 73,000 kiloliter, and we have already completed 50% of our work. And in these communities, we closely work with the farmers group and women SHGs. But one of the unique things in this project is about children groups.
There are 12 children groups in 3 clusters, namely Irudukotai, Kommepalli and Undinam. Around 200 children are there in our children groups. We train the children on water security and health. A set of modules on water security and health is prepared. The topics covered in the module are understanding hydrological cycle, understanding the groundwater, aquifer, water sufficiency, efficiency and groundwater management. The topics covered in health are personal hygiene, menstrual hygiene, COVID-19 and its protection. We use these modules to train the children in the children groups. Our facilitators use user-friendly method, the child-friendly methodologies to train the children.
Here is filtered, goes to directly well or drum. This is a fresh water. We have to use all purpose, which means animals washings, car washings, and we have to use also garden also.
बॉडी नहीं है, जिम से 0